Hi everyone, my name is Anthony from Vietnam. Actually, I'm a person that don't pay too much attention on hair care product, and usually I just use shampoo as a habit. But from the time that I know this product says, my thinking has completely changed. First, let's talk about this one. The hair loss shampoo. I know that hair loss is quite a big problem for many people. Me too. Like every time after doing showers, I should look at a pile of hair on the floor of the shower room, the bathroom, and I was like, oh my god, what should I do? So after using this product, my hair loss has significantly decreased. It has a pleasant sense as well as gives us a cool feeling because its content matters. And I believe that during summer, if you use this product, you will feel like you go to an air-conditioned spa and enjoy washing your hair with giving you an amazing cooling feel. Wow, it's really great. Recently I have shoot reality shows, and a lot of friends over there, the guy who shoot together with me, they keep borrowing this one and asking me where to buy it, so you guys can know how good it is, right? And that's why I don't have much left. See? But the second one is more great, it's more amazing to me, and I didn't let them know. This equals hair loss hair packs. With this kind of product, after you shampoo your hair, the next step is that you have to dry and condition it, right? So this step is a decisive step to make your hair soft, shiny, and to recover damaged hair on your head. So it's really an important step, I think. Yeah, for sure. And because the both product is have a big capacity, so they can be used for several months with affordable price. Trust me. And the last one is one of my favorite one too. It's called scalp touch treatment. So when you do skincare, you need a serum, and it play a vital role, an important necessary role in your skincare routine. So it's the same with scalp touch treatment. It will provide nutrients to your hair and hair roots as well as your scalp. So make sure when you guys use this, you guys have to apply it really slowly. Separate your hair, apply it slowly, like this, so that your hair and your hair root, as well as your scalp, will absorb the nutrient from this one easily. That's quite simple, right? So I have to say, I really love it. So I think it's the time that you guys need to pay more attention on your hair. And for me, yes, let's buy this product sets and take care well of your hair from now on. Thank you.